Hey guys, how you doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. So this footage that you're about to see is all the things that I've already done with the car. As you guys all know, I was buying a 350z so I can restore it and make it brand new basically, or OEM or whatever. I want to make it look good, and I was looking for a long time. I found it, so I finally got it. This is like the footage of the beginning of the what I've been doing, and I have a lot more coming. And the reason it's short is because I didn't get to do that much to the car, but I just watched it. I play around with it a little bit, and I just kind of figured out what's wrong with the car, so I can tell you guys later on what is it. So here, I hope you enjoy it, and leave a like, if subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Boop. Alright guys, this is your boy Pablo. How's everybody doing? Today is the big day. Let's go get this car. Alright, we about to get the truck. Let's get it. Great, I'll see you guys there. This is how the car looks right now. It's pretty dirty, but that's how you buy them. And you gotta clean it up and stuff like that. Here's the nice rims with the race pads, the racing brakes. It's pretty nice. It's good. It looks really nice from the inside too. Just hope everything is good. Let's fix stuff on the door. Fix some stuff. Alright guys, back here. So this is the car. This is how it is really dirty right now. It's smoking. Smells like water. This is the look. It looks really dirty. You cannot drive it, but because I want to wash it, make it look clean, so we can start working on the things that we need to work on. Because as you can see now, it's smoking. It doesn't want to go anywhere. We're gonna wash it right now, give it a real nice wash. Just gonna let it sit right here for a little bit. We're gonna read the codes. The guy that I bought it from said that they didn't have any other codes than the engine knock sensor. So we're gonna see right here, look. Let's see if we can find it. This is how the interior looks. It looks pretty clean, to be honest. Except right here, it has a hole in the door. Has it's broken right there. The smell right now is terrible, really. There's a lot of spiders in this place. Like in this car, is a lot of spiders. Because 115,000 still smoking right now. I don't know what could be the problem, but we're gonna figure it out. That's why we have this bad boy right here, Foxwell. I bought it on Amazon. Pretty easy to use, and it has colors and stuff. That's what I bought it. We're gonna see what's going on in this engine. Store codes. Knock sensor Low band sensor too. time for that alignment. Getting this baby back on the road in no time. Gonna make sure everything's good. Gonna make sure everything is aligned. Got the experts right here working on it. I don't even want to be on it. Guys, the guys I know about this shit.
You already know what's cooking up?
Yeah, you know I got my main kickman right here.
You already know?
Hell yeah, we got the seat ready to go, buddy. Think we're gonna need a new bumper because I put it in the trailer. Kind of messed it up right here at the bottom. No big deal. Just gonna change it up, make it look beautiful again. We're gonna repaint it, and then this baby's gonna look good to go, buddy. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like and enjoy. I hope you like the video, and leave down in the comments below what you think I should do to it, other than, you know, making OEM, making it nice and looking good again. If you have any suggestions, leave it down in the comments. And there it is. The cat is right there. I have more projects for you guys coming up, like the Beamer, the truck, but we're gonna leave those for later. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, like and subscribe. See you guys later.